Yes, I'm picking a car from a renowned motorcycle manufacturer. Why? Because we're talking about the Tokyo Motor Show, where the wildest concepts see the light of day, and boy did Yamaha deliver a doozy. The Cross Hub concept is based on a platform mashup of two previous Yamaha concept cars, 2013 Motiv and 2015 Sports Ride, developed in conjunction with renowned designer Gordon Murray. Murray didn't play role in the development of the Cross Hub, but that isn't important. Nor is any discussion of powertrain, which could be a traditional 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine, electric motor, or hybrid combo. What's crazy about the Cross Hub is the packaging and seating layout. Check out the diamond pattern seating configuration and cargo area, just large enough to strap down an adult's motocross bike, and child's on the diagonal. Funky? Cool? Yep.